Many of our clients ask us a question: are eggs vegetarian or non-vegetarian? The Hindus and the Vedas believe that wherever you take a life, that is non-vegetarian. If a chick is going to be born from an egg and you eat that egg, that is non-vegetarian. Because directly or indirectly you're killing the baby. You must understand that there are a variety of species of hens that perform differently biologically. The key thing about an egg that you should know before you eat it is if the egg is fertile or is it infertile. If the egg is fertile, it will give birth to chicks in future, whereas infertile egg will not give any babies. It simply means even if a hen is a virgin, it can still lay an egg. Just as a female has menstrual cycles every month, in the same way, the hen has menstrual cycles, thereby laying an egg. The egg laid by a hen through her menstrual cycle is an infertile egg, and the egg laid by a hen involved with a rooster may be a fertile egg. By a simple process called candling of egg, where you can hold an egg under a candlelight or under a flashlight to see inside the egg, you can know whether the egg is fertile or infertile. In case of an infertile egg, you shall see zero development or zero changes to that egg. And in case of a fertile egg, you shall see that the egg color is opaque, or you shall see the veins and you shall see the embryo getting developed slowly and gradually within a period of about 21 days. So, where there is life happening inside the egg, where there is activity of formation of baby happening in that egg, where the egg is fertile basically, and when you're eating that, you are eating a life and hence it's non-vegetarian. But if an egg is simply given by a menstrual cycle of a hen where there is no life happening, it's infertile, that is vegetarian. There is no difference in the taste of a fertile or an infertile egg. Well, how the hens and roosters are treated and handled by a poultry industry or by an egg industry is a question of karma, which we shall discuss in the other videos. But here, your answer for question whether an egg is vegetarian or non-vegetarian is answered. So any egg that is fertile, has a life, is non-vegetarian. An egg which is infertile, does not have a life, is vegetarian. But it's also important to keep in mind, you integrate what you eat. So when you eat a hen's egg, whether it's fertile or infertile, it will only do good to you in terms of nutrition, health, and positivity if the hen has been treated well and good by the poultry industry.